Hi, welcome to Angie's Drawings. Today I will teach you how to draw easy and cute for beginners. Today we learn how to draw a cute pig step by step. First, we draw two lovely hearts. Now connect the two hearts together. I'm going to draw some two number threes. I'll give him some cute little eyes. A squished circle and some nose holes. Then we're going to draw a W for his hands. We can draw him holding a heart. Now we can draw his cute little feet by drawing W's also. And make a curl for his tail. Let's color it, and there, boom, ta-da, we're done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you next time.